All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Louie.
And this is another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got a box from Japan. This came from Sakurai Foods. What do you think? Should we open it up? Alright, what have we here? Let's have a look. So, these are from Sakurai Foods. They're one of the first Japanese, if not the actual first company in Japan I did a meet the manufacturer with, so that's pretty cool. This one is their spicy variety. Oh, you want that one?
Yeah.
You like spicy?
Spicy.
Okay, here you go. And this one looks to be tonkatsu flavor. That sounds really good. And finally, we've got their yakisoba. So that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Sakurai Foods for sending these over. New vegan varieties. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans, and this has been
Louie.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.